So it's interesting if you never did it. So and then you will taste, of course, the excellent
2 degrees. That is as per the specialist the ideal temperature to. Very slowly and gently through the coffee, that you don't stir the grinded coffee, and in between you smell the aroma is coming from between. So now you have to appreciate and take time to have some good coffees. No. 3 times. You rinse your spoon in the water. There's 1 cup of water. And you take the second one. Those two, this is the Brazil and the Robusta. The Robusta is completely different from smell as the other ones. And these are the Kenyans, they have more power, fruitiness. Yes. They will have more flavor than the other. Now you take the 2. It won't harm you. But the cleaner it is, the less risk you have to have residue. As you see, this is something else as picking up a cup of coffee in a coffee shop. You really need to work. But the reward will be there.